that we are going to try is a stoichiometry problem, and you are going to use dimensional analysis to solve the problem. So exactly, let's try with you guys. So let's read the problem first. Seawater is typically 3.5, that my bad handwriting is supposed to be 3.5% of seawater, and has density of 1.03 grams per milliliter. I think there was an error there. I wrote okay, let's just write what we have. It has 3.5 of salt. It also has like 1.03 grams per milliliter. Made a mistake there. Okay, this is what we have. So how many grams of seawater will be, of sea salt will be needed? So we also want, they want grams of sea salt. Grams of sea salt is what is required to prepare enough seawater solution to fill. We also given volume to fill up a 2.5 liter aquarium, right? So we are given that our volume, that our density, that our that everything that we have now. Let's try to work out the problem. So we want to fill up this aquarium, right? So we want to fill up 62.5 liters with seawater solution, okay? But we are also given what? We are also given density. What is density? It's mole per what? Mole per liter. So I have it here which was given in mole per milliliter, but we can also work with that. Okay, times that is going to be 1.03 grams per milliliter, using that as our conversion factor. And again, we can still do something. We don't want these here, so we're going to say 1 milliliter is equals to 1 times 10 negative 3 liters, right? Okay, let's look what we have now. Okay, this liter cancelled this liter, this milliliter cancelled this milliliter, and now we have what? We only left with grams. Okay, so let's see what. Okay, let's just use a calculator to work out this. And then if I work that on a calculator, I get 6.4375 grams of what? Of seawater solution. But the question wanted what? Grams of sea salt. Okay, this was what? Seawater. We want sea salt. I even wrote SS here. But here we were given percentage by mass, of which is that 3.5. And then what is percentage by mass? It is mass of a solute all over mass of a solution, of which we just got that, times 100. Then from this expression, let's try to solve. We have mass of the let me call this one mass of a solvent, MS, and mass of a solution. We just got that it's our seawater solution. This, we just got its mass here. We're just going to put it here, 6.4375 grams, and then we have 3.5 times 100, and we only have one unknown, this one. So you can do your math from here, and you know what you do. You just divide this by 100, or literally you divide 100 by both sides by 100, and this 100 disappear, and now you cross multiply. After cross multiplying, you get a mass of a solute, and your answer for sea salt, if you worked out very well, you're going to get 2.253 times 10 power 3, and that should be in grams. So we just solve the mystery, then you got your marks. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends.